Okay, guys, I'm coming here with you today for the Great Vape review. And again, it's not going to be mods like this one because there's just so many of them and different tank setups, coil setups. It would take forever to go through. So, let me see if I can get around. You won't be able to see my face in this one, but we're going to start out. Now, the reason I have this one out is because you can win this. This is an unopened, let's see if I can get the light out of the way, an unopened glass does it actually come with a nicotine thing in it? Includes one glass, one microtube, flavor pod sold separately. So no, it's just the device. Comes with a charger. These are usually about $20. If you'd like to get in the giveaway, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell, and leave a comment about why you want it, and I will send it off to you. So that's the giveaway for today. Now we're going to go in order of best grab-and-go vapes to not so great. Now, I would have to say the best out of all of them is going to have to be probably the cheapest. And this is the Enjoy. The cartridges are extremely cheap at about $12 or $13. I've never had any problem with fluids running into my mouth. It's very easily detachable. You just snap it on and it magnetizes right back in. Let's see if I can flip this around on me. I am coming at you in 8K, so if there's any blemishes or anything, then that's the camera's fault, not mine. Smooth hit all the way, can't go wrong. You can sometimes get these on sale for 99 cents, and you just buy the flavor packs, which brings you up to like $11. Very good deal. So that would be number one. To flip this back around. Number two out of our pile, like I said, we're going to get this out of the way. Number two out of our pile is going to be, let me see if I can get the torchlight on. Alright, number two out of our pile is going to be the, and I know a lot of you are going to be sad to hear this, but the Juul. Now the Juul, the price point is just completely out of whack. I mean, sometimes they run promotions on the unit itself, but rarely do they run promotions on the refills, and the refills kill you. They're 0.8 milliliters a piece, so even if you bought a 4-pack, you're getting 8, 16, 24, 0.32 milliliters or 3.2 milliliters of juice. Whereas this one, if you just simply buy a 2-pack for like $11 or $12, excuse the camera focus, you're actually going to get about 4 milliliters. So that's why that goes number one, number two. The only reason that this is, and yes, I know I need to de-dust my bed, I'm sorry about that. The only reason the Juul is in second place is because it provides such a smooth hit and no leakage. Third of all would be the glass. Now, the only reason the glass is third, and it would actually be first if it had better price points. It's about $20 for the unit, and it's about $18 for refillables. But you can get promotional packs that come with the unit and 2 free juice cartridges for like $11. So when you get those promotions, this would move to number one. And that's why I'm giving it away right here. So if you want that, like I said, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment. Now, so we got our first, second, and third right here. Push this out of the way. Our fourth is going to be the old school Views Vibe. These things, see if I can get it in frame here. These things are just tried and true, tested. I know it's one of the old pen ones. Let me see if I can spin this around on myself. I mean, these just hit. Perfectly. The tastes are great, the price point's cheap, and a lot of the refills are probably the second cheapest compared to the Enjoy. So that's why this one's going to go number 4. The only reason it gets a lower score than the others is because of the pen-shaped Divine, which a lot of people have moved away from. Number 5 is going to be the Alto by Camel. And as you can see up here, that's not just crustiness, that's actually juice that's leaked out while I've used it. I mean, I just gave it a hit right there and I got juice in my mouth. So that would obviously be number 5. It's expensive, the cartridges are expensive, and it's not worth your money. And then finally, this is an outlier. This is not a regular grab and go vape from the gas station. This is actually a key fob that you get at your medical marijuana store, and this distillate I have in it has 80 milligrams of THC and 20 milligrams of CBD, and the distillate I picked up top here actually is a strain of indica, not sativa, so it works for relaxation, pain, and anxiety. It gives you more of like a body rush and a head rush, so you don't have to worry about that anxiety with it. And it's got 5 different modes. You just simply click the button. Right now it's in red, if you can see that. And red is the highest you can go, but for every 3 clicks it'll go through green, yellow, orange, blue, and red, and each one you go up is a higher output, so you get more smoke. So with that said, this is I'm going to put this as an outlier. You know, this doesn't really count, but it's something interesting that I thought you might want to see, so I'm going to put this over here. So if you're looking for your best grab and goes, definitely go with the Enjoy. They have a lot of promotion on them, and they're the cheapest refills. And I've never gotten any smoke in my mouth or liquid in my mouth. Second would be Juul, just because it provides a smooth hit, but the major con is the size of the refills and the expense of the refills. Glass, you know what? I'm going to make an audible here. Glass is about the same price as this, except for the refills are a hell of a lot cheaper and give you a hell of a lot more, and the taste is just incredible. One of the smoothest grab and go vapes from the gas station I've ever used. So sorry, I don't even remember the name of it because I use it so less. The this one right here. So unfortunately, I'm trying to remember the name of it. drawing a blank here, to the let's say, hold on a second. To the Jewel, I'm gonna have to move you to third place. This, like I said, would probably overtake the Jewel too if it wasn't that old, cigar type shape. And it hits beautifully, it doesn't spew into your mouth, and the refills are the second cheapest to enjoy. The only reason it's getting fourth place is because of the shape of it. And Altoid, just don't even bother with it. It's expensive, the refills are expensive, and it leaks right into your mouth. So with that said, I hope you have a better understanding if you're in the gas station and you got a grab and go situation going on, you want to vape. Definitely get the Enjoy, especially if it's on promotion. If not, get the glass, then the Jewel, if you have the money for it, then the Vibe. I would actually recommend the Vibe over the Jewel if you're low on money. And the Altoid, don't even bother with. Just throw that shit in the trash. And moving over here, like I said, you have your THC key fob with 5 different levels of power, so you can get a really soft hit to a little slow hit, and it adapts to all distillates sold at your local marijuana shop. And this glass right here is just an extra of mine. And so yeah, if you like, subscribe, and enter in the comments of just put a comment down. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and put a comment down. And I'll randomly pick a person, and this will be yours. And it's the second one best on there. And the only reason it's not the first, because it definitely gives the smoothest hit, is because of the price point. But when they do the promotions for this for 99 cents, and then actually I believe it's $10, and you're basically paying for the 2 refills, but this comes free with it for a total of $11. And that's a deal you can't beat. So if I send you this, you can just, everything's in it, everything's included, charger, vape, everything. You can just go into the store and buy refills for it and start using it immediately after you charge it. It comes with a charger and everything. So that is the Great Vape review. I hope I've given you a little bit of understanding of which ones to pick up and which ones to avoid. I hope someone can claim this giveaway. I've tried to do a giveaway before, but since I'm a smaller channel, it didn't really work out. I'm hoping someone will really take this and, can use it, because it's just an extra to me, and it was actually given to me for a giveaway. So, yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I'm going to cut this video right here for a second, but I will be right back. So GrimClawz back, just a little intermission. I hope after the Great Vape review, you've learned a little information on about which ones to grab in those certain situations, which ones are going to be cheaper for you, which ones are not going to spew in your mouth, which ones are going to give you longevity and the best taste overall. Again, if you want to get on the giveaway, just like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment, and I'll pick a random comment and I will send that to you. We're kind of employing the Mr. Beast marketing plan here, where everything that is made from the channel gets reinvested in the channel for better equipment, better videos, and more help to the people outside. I mean, one giveaway at a time is a good way to start, but we want to start helping as many people as we can. So, with that, I love all you Grim Legion members. I hope to see more of you in the upcoming weeks as I post more and more videos. Do remember I changed my name from GrimClawz Reviews to just GrimClawz, as I didn't want to get pigeonholed into just reviews, as I do some gameplay footage, and I also do some reviews and puzzles and stuff like that. So this allows me to open up a little bit and do a lot more videos for you guys and give you a lot better content, rather than just pigeonholing myself into reviews. So I love you all. I hope to see the Grim Legion grow rapidly, and I will see you all in the next video.